We'll guide you through how to install mods in Steam games. If you guys find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, ringing the bell icon, and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. So once you have your Steam opened up and you're at the main menu, all you have to do is navigate to your library section over here and click on Home. Once you're at the home page, to make things simpler for us and to see which games actually support mods in the first place, we need to filter it by the games who are eligible for modding. So in order to do that, near this search bar over here, there are these three lines which we need to click. These will open up the library filters, and under this features section, we need to click on Workshop, place a tick next to it, and then we can just click on the three lines again to close out this drop down. And we will see every game that we own which is eligible for installing mods to. So just choose whichever game you want to install mods for. For example, if you wanted to download mods for Gary's mod, we would press on the game and then we would go to the workshop button right over here. The workshop is where we find all of our mods. So just click it open. And then over here we can see all our mods. We can sort by tags, for example, builds, cartoons, comics. We can select the add-on type, or we can browse by most popular, most subscribed, or most recent. For example, if I wanted to download a map for my game, I would go to Maps and then choose from the selection of maps on which one I wanted to download. For example, this GMUH house, all we need to do is click it open, and then there's this huge green subscribe button which we need to press. So once you press that, your download will start. You can click on the download bar to see the progress of the map downloading, and once your mod is downloaded, if you already had your game open, you will need to restart your game in order to see your mod in the game. In my case, I don't have my game open, so I can just wait for the mod to download, which it already has downloaded, and then I can click on play. Once the game is loaded up, we will see our mod in the game because we subscribe to it. And as you can see, the additional content that we downloaded from Steam, the mod is successfully working, and this is the procedure to download mods in your game. If you guys found this video to be helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and peace.